Hi guys, here's a tutorial of how to make a Hmong hat that looks like fake hair. You'll find a list of the things you'll need below in the comments. First you need to cut the pool noodle in half. What I did first was I measured the circumference of my head and then I cut the pool noodle that length and then I cut it in half. That way it's not so long. You'll end up with two pieces. Technically you could make two hats. Then you just put the two ends together and just simply tape it together. Pretty easy, pretty simple. You want to make sure it still fits your head though, so make sure you kind of put it on your head to make sure that whole hit fits your head. Then you just want to measure the black construction paper. You want to measure 4 times the pool noodle, fold that piece of paper in half, and then cut from there, just so the piece of the band around your head is a little bit more firm or sturdier. I just fast forwarded here. You'll just put it in a circle, kind of put it together, and then fit it into the circle. And again, this is why it's important to measure your head, like keep sticking in your head to make sure it still fits. And then now you just want to tape. Make sure the tape goes on the inside of that pool noodle and then around, wrap it around into the top there. And then I just check 4 corners. Pretty much I tape it 4 times around, just so it doesn't move. Again, you want to put it under the pool noodle and then wrap it around. See how I stick my fingers in just to make sure it gets in there really good. See, I bought this spray at Joann Fabric. Spray adhesive, high performance. And what you want to do is just spray the top of this. I have this sheet under here. Maybe here, let's see. Okay, so I'm just going to spray the top of here. Oof. Then you just take your sheet, cover it, just like that. So then, as you can see, it'll stick. See? It's gonna stick. And then usually I just pick out the side that's like the flat, the nicest, and then I use that as my front. Because the back will definitely have some wrinkles to it. This part looks pretty nice right here. And if you flip it, see, it sticks. See, it sticks. Just flip it back. And I'll spray some more here. I did this in the bathroom when I did mine, so I recommend doing it outside almost, if you can. Just kind of stretch it and put it down as you go. And pull it down. You can see it starts to stick. And this will be different. There. And now it's gonna kind of like that. See where else needs to be more. Okay. Okay, and then I just kind of tuck these guys in. You can spray it down again. And you can spray this fabric. And then just stick them down. It's really neat. See? Now all you have to do is put on that black and white piece of fabric and then just tie a cute bow in the back. weaving yourself a little tail. And then I just used tape, and then I taped the red balls on there. The other hats I used super glue just so it stayed on better. You could use that, and then I just super glued the thread with beads and the coin. I super glued it on too instead of sewing it. That was a lot easier than trying to sew all the balls on and then the thread on. Super glue was really fast and easy. So there you go. Hi guys, thanks for watching. This is the hat I just made in the tutorial. So let me know if you have any questions. Again, thanks for watching. Bye.